Hello and welcome. Happy Sunday here on Tesla Sundays. Every single Sunday it's Tesla Sundays here. So my channel is Wolf of Dubai and I'm responsible as your host for your Sunday night entertainment and education and information about Tesla. So we have so interesting topics to talk about today, guys. I'm super excited. Let me know in the comments as usual, where are you watching from? That's super important to me. And also I want to know, guys, I want to know if you are Tesla shareholder, and if not, why not, and what you're planning to do with Tesla shares. You know, this is something that is super interesting because I see a lot in the community. You know, I want to go into Tesla. You know, some people have FOMO, which is fear of missing out, which is normal for this stock. I mean, this stock is one of the most volatile stocks in the whole stock market, guys, and this is normal for growth stocks, right? They go up, down, sideways, make a roller coaster ride. So yeah, thank you very much for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe if you're new. That's this button here. Just smash it and you will be, and don't forget the ring bell, because this is super important to get notified. And also, I want to show you something, guys. I don't know if you know, we have so many new people here and so many Tesla enthusiasts and also so many Tesla shareholders and wannabe shareholders. And I believe that one of the most interesting pieces of content that is out there in the whole Tesla community is this book here. Okay, I read it many months or years ago, and it really giving you a huge insight into how Elon Musk really is, how he is in the companies, how he is in Tesla, how he is in SpaceX, what is his vision, what is his drive. It's a really interesting read, guys. I'm really recommending it. Okay, so there's no Amazon affiliate marketing link or anything. Just go for yourself, go order the book, get it as audible or get it as ebook, whatever is convenient to you. Get it in your language, you know, but read this book, guys. It's so full of information that I can just repeat it again and again, that this is something that you should definitely have a read on. So let's have a quick look from where you are watching, guys. So this is you know, our tradition here. So we have our member Mario from London. We have Arkansas, Los Angeles. We have Germany. We have Alabama. We have South Africa, even Canada, Las Vegas, Norway, baby. We have Portugal, Colorado, Netherlands, Germany, Uruguay, Minneapolis. What else do we have? What else do we have? I want to get, guys, all of the continents. So we had now South America, we have North America, we had Europe, we have Africa, we still need Asia and Australia, guys. Okay, so I really want to see if we can make it here. Okay, we have Sri Lanka, so we have Asia right now. We just need someone from Australia. I don't know. I don't know even if Australia it's possible. I don't know which time is it in Australia. Let's have a quick look, guys. Sorry, it's Sunday, you know, and I hope you brought a little bit time. These live streams are beautiful because we have a little bit time to go into deeper things. So as usual here, great white sharks in Australia. But what's the time in Australia? We have 5:37 a.m. Okay. So I'm very curious if we see some people from Australia. There must be some people that are very early birds. Let me have a look what we have as agenda today, which is the following. We have, first of all, as always, in these live streams, we are welcoming the members. Then we will go into the Tesla boom in Germany. This is something I slightly mentioned and went into it in my daily vlog, or my daily vlog considering Tesla Sundays. That is every single Sunday here. But then I thought it's more of a deeper thing that I want to go with, and there's some things I didn't went into the vlog, so I want to go into it with you guys here. Moreover, I want to have a look with you guys, go a little bit technical, go into the outlook of the Tesla stock as well, and then also talk about two stocks that some of you guys are interested or interested to invest. Nikola and Novonix stocks. Okay, we will have a look into their charts and what's currently on the roadmap for those. So very important to stay tuned if you are interested in those. So let me have a look and welcome our brand new member here, Anthony Juarez. So he's becoming an ultimate wolf, the diamond tier. This is the absolute optimum that you can choose. If you click the join button below all my videos, below all my live streams, this is a community that you can get into. It's like supporting the channel, but also getting huge advantage, like for example getting to the Discord chat that we're having here as the member section. Moreover, you will have there, lots of members talking about different stocks, and we are also, trying to prioritize these members in live streams, and soon there will be only live streams for members. And so it's maybe one of the best things that you can get for as value at any other stock investing YouTuber out there. Don't forget, there's none other YouTuber, I guess, that is vlogging every single day. By the way, on the 18th of June, so in 11 days, we are celebrating 1 year, and there's maybe just 2-3 days that I missed. Otherwise, every single day there was a vlog. Then I added since then also live streams. Also, almost every single day, guys, you can consider how much I basically I don't sleep. That's basically the message, just to bring you the very best content. So if you are appreciating this, just smash and destroy the like button. That would be super appreciated. Let me just see. I will just quickly adjust the sound so we will be all synced, and then we can directly dive into what is important, which is the following, guys. Read the headline. As you can see, Germany will require all petrol stations to provide electric car charging. So first of all, you have to understand, Germany is a very, let's say, developed country. Okay, so they are very rich, they having lots and lots of industries, and they try to be modern. Sometimes it works out, sometimes not. I'm from Germany personally, so I know how the people in Germany think about Germany, and I know how people outside Germany think about Germany. And there's, I really think there's a huge difference, guys. People in Germany like to complain about how it is in Germany and how everything goes too slow or it's not too much digitalized. Some of it's obviously true, but on the other side, you don't know how much German people are very valued in their work ethics, in the quality that they're producing, the industry. There's a really lot of positive things. So, however, they decided to create a $130 billion rescue package for the economy. And obviously, this is huge, guys. This is unprecedented. And therefore, this will further boost the economy because of the current health crisis. Okay, so the bull definitely is back. And not only that, but they do something that I always ask myself. Every time I was driving across a gasoline station, I thought, this would be the perfect place for just one or two chargers and most of the petrol stations, and we would be super cool to accelerate the evolution of electric vehicles. Because in the end, think about it, it's the future, guys. Okay, so it's maintenance free almost, it's better for our sustainability, it's faster, with time we get better batteries, so it will get cheaper as a gasoline car, and also we will see that we will get bigger ranges with this car. So think about the battery, it can stay small and the range can be bigger and bigger. On the other side, you have a gasoline tank, right? So what you gonna do, right? You will not strap another tank on the rooftop to extend your range. You get my point, right? So I believe that this is something that is really to consider. And which country is not betting on electric vehicles will be behind. That's why you see countries that are well ahead, like Norway or China, really betting on electric vehicles and creating the infrastructure for it. So Germany is doing a very good step forward, and they like to create these packages for the economy and decide, okay, we create this package, but with this package this and this will happen. Moreover, you will get a tax credit or a subsidy for your Tesla for up to 6,000 euros, guys. So this is also huge. This is very important. And while we are here on the live stream, I want to have a look with you guys, because as you know, the next Gigafactory is currently built where? In Germany. So there is a YouTube channel that I will show to you guys that actually shows the Gigafactory Germany process, and we are actually now creating the fundament. So I just have a look which one is the latest. So let's have a look. 2 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, 8 hours, but that's just another 3 days. I think this is the one. So Wolfpack Berlin. Okay, nothing to do with this channel here, but let me mute this, skip the advertising, and here we go. So as you can see, this is the most, as you can see, you see nothing. What's going on? Okay, I need to refresh. Here we go. I think this was a quite interesting part. Okay, YouTube doesn't want to do... YouTube doesn't want to show me what's going on at the Gigafactory Berlin. It seems so. Let's just give it one more try. Let's try another browser. Okay, so that is super annoying. Okay. let's have a look. If okay, here we go. Okay, now Safari wanted to show it's possible also to do Safari. So anyway, so these guys are flying every other day over the area of Tesla, okay? And I want just to zoom in a bit and see what we can see. So apparently, as you can see, there will be separate areas. So there's like a square here, there's a square, there's something that they flatten out, there's the camp for the construction. So here they are already pretty far, which is that they are putting the fundament and they are putting the holes for the pillars, which will be structural designed and holding everything. And from there on, guys, it's getting really fast, because consider following. The gigafactories are in principle just halls, right? With some ventilation and some, AC and everything. But in terms of construction, it's basically just a couple of pillars, a hall, and that's it. Then you put the machinery in and you have a manufacturing facility. Okay, so therefore I believe, being that far, here you can see this is like the camp. Here they have the side offices and everything. And here we have another fly over the area, and then you can see that, that they are busy. So what I'm trying to say here, and what you see, is that we are quite far in Germany as well in terms of production of the Gigafactory, which is huge, because the production of the Gigafactory is actually one of the most important parts for Tesla to scale, right? So I think this is super important to always check. So Wolfpack Berlin, subscribe to them and have a look every now and then. I think that those are some kids from Berlin who are flying their drones, which is super fun. As you can see, their development every now and then. So this is quite interesting. Let's have a look what else we wanted to go into. So we are going next into the Tesla stock, and for that I am opening our Yahoo Finance, guys. This is important. So Yahoo Finance is allowing us to be a little bit creative with the chart, which means that we can draw in the chart a bit, and this we are doing every Sunday, as you know, and that's why it looks very very wild here. And let me quickly explain for those who are for the very first time here. So in blue you see actually the chart of Tesla. Here we had the overall outbreak where we reached 2 times over 900, then we fall down because of the overall health crisis, right? And since then, since about mid of March, 18th of March, where we got a bottom at $361, we were trading inside this channel here. As you can see, this lines are was put there by myself, and as you can see that the Tesla stock nicely here, even though I think we traded it somewhere here, I mean we draw it so somewhere here, so you can see it's nicely went a little bit down over that, and here again up and then again down. So we are now somewhere below 900, and this is actually the channel that could be a current trade, that it's bouncing now 2 times apparently off this channel, and with a good overall market, I'm pretty sure that they can go further up to 900 levels and above. Then you have the green line here, which is the 50 days average. This is basically from all the 50 days average trading days, the line that is here calculated at 728. So this is definitely a resistance line. Moreover, you can see here another resistance line also here at 700, where the stock bounced off 2 times here already, and here also back in end of February it bounced also 1 time. So as you can see, this resistance line is also important. So 700-ish level, and then we have pretty much, you know, the next resistance line is somewhere maybe here around 500. Those are 2 stronger signals here with the 200 moving average line, and also, you know, this resistance that I draw here. So all in all, it still looks intact here, guys, the whole channel that I draw. So once it's out of this channel, then maybe it can fall back to 700 levels, and after that it could go down further. Then the next stop could be on midterm 500, but you know, for that I really believe there must be something wrong, you know. Let's see how Q2 will be. This will be the most important part and event. Let's see how the battery webcast will be, which is promised for the overall June months, and then we are going actually higher if there's good news on other things. Okay, we wanted then to go, let me see if I find here Novonix. Here we go. So this is the next stock in our agenda. Okay, so Novonix is basically, I just can recommend to watch the video of Gali, because of Gali from the channel Hyperchange, when he talked about the stock somewhere here on the 1st of June, the stock went absolutely like a SpaceX rocket up into the sky. So currently we are trading at 6.85 cents. Okay, not even a dollar. So it could be considered a penny stock. And as you can see, over the last couple of months, the stock really didn't had any drive here. You know, we let me even out zoom here, and you can see that, you know, those very high levels were reached back in, what is it, March 2019. Okay, the most important part, guys, here in this kind of tradings, you know, first of all, this almost 100% gain is usually followed by a drop if the news is not being dropped, you know, in the next couple of days afterwards, you know, because people are waiting for this news and people are just trading this company. So it's not like really that, you know, lot of people are going now long term into this stock. So you can expect, you know, a very volatile area here. I expect the stock can, you know, go even higher, it can go lower. So somewhere in this radius, it's all very, very positive, possible to be around. So I'm staying away for this kind of things, because, you know, I'm super happy that, you know, I can really be behind really great companies, really great management teams, and be there long term, and, you know, triple, 4 time, quadruple, 8-triple my money on long term vision, instead after, you know, being maybe burnt out in this kind of things that easy go up and easy go down as well. Okay, so this is something important to remember. And then the next stock that we wanted to look up is Nikola stock, finally being able to be traded. And we had here a gain of 6%, guys. And some people were asking me, you know, what is with this stock? Can I invest it? Will it be the next stock, Tesla stock? And I say the probability is quite low. Nikola has so much to prove, guys. It's a couple of years that they need to, you know, be at least just comparable to anything of Tesla, okay, today. So Tesla will be again 5 or 10 years in advance. So I believe that this kind of, you know, wannabe Teslas is hard to beat Tesla. It's not so easy, guys, to build the best electric vehicle manufacturer and future power and energy company from the ground. So as you can see, Nikola Motors, if you're going on the website, even they have so much different things they want to achieve. They are a very small team. I think they're like 300-400 people only, and they want to do being a motor company, they want to be an energy company, they want to be power sports, right? They want to go to different energy areas. They want to go hydrogen, they want to go battery, so it's a little bit, how I would say it, it's a little bit overwhelming if you're going there. As power sports, we have even different kind of vehicles here, and I'm really, I like when companies are really concentrate on one core and therefore stay to that. And first, think about, let me see if I can pull it out. Tesla master plan. Is there anything that I think that is not, no. Okay, let me see. There is a book out there by Peter Thiel, guys. For those who are reading books, Peter Thiel is really explaining it very, very nicely in his book. And let me see if I can pull something out here. Let me see if something here, it's more of a timeline. But this is the very, very, very first step for Tesla. Okay? Tesla Roadster. Starting for a standard mobility vehicle, $101,000. And this is so important, guys, because you need to first prove your concept. Then once you master that, you go to the next one, and to the next one, and to the next one, guys. Okay, so then you can see first S sedan, and the book describes it really, really well, guys. If you are interested, go for the book Elon Musk by Ashley Vance. It's such an incredible read. And then they built the first big factory, then the Giga factory, and so on and so forth. Then they just 5 years later they went to build the Model S85D, then SP85D, and so on. So you can see it was slowly building up, and this is so important because you need to, this is financing then the next stage and so on and so forth. But if you imagine Tesla would directly start with mass producing or try to, they needed to have this experience here to go to the next stages, guys, okay? And this is so important. Even if you look into Facebook or other companies, they really started small first and then went after phase after phase after phase. And this is so important to really have the core right of the whole system, then go into the next one and the next one. So I think, this is very important. I believe that Nikola has very big ambitions, and with this team, how they can concentrate on so many things, I have no idea, guys. Okay, I just know that it's something special about Tesla, about this guy as well, guys. So make sure to not leave focus too much on other stocks like Nikola or NIO. If you really want to be in Tesla, guys, okay? Don't think that the Tesla has already so much gain, you cannot make any more gain. There is much more to come for Tesla, and therefore I believe that, don't look for the quick money, because that's usually the way for losing a lot of money. Let me have a look into the comments, guys. You have wrote so many things that I have to scroll like half an hour to see a couple of things. So we have a lot of shareholders here, so that's very cool. We have Canada, Estonia, we have Romania, Los Angeles, We have people asking about Robotaxi. I made a whole vlog about Robotaxi if you are interested, guys. So just check the Robotaxi vlog. There's 10 minutes or 12 minutes, but really deep dive into the Robotaxi thing. And don't forget, guys, I posted obviously the obligatory Tesla Sundays vlog. So after this live stream, just go straight ahead to this thumbnail and check out today's Tesla Sundays episodes. This is a quick and funny and entertaining way to just catch up what's happening in the Tesla week and what's maybe very important as informations, and therefore I believe this is a super interesting way to just keep you updating, right? After that, go and swing by my Instagram if you want to also know a little bit about more behind the scenes. As you know, Wolf of Dubai Danny, just follow me and I post some stories there and many pictures. And if you want to know how life is in Dubai, sometimes I post there something as well. And don't forget the membership section. Just press the join button under each video and you will see what's there. If something is interesting for you, I'm happy that you guys are joining. And then when you join, it's important, guys, go on my main page, then go to community, and there's the link where you can access the Discord chat to the other members where we're discussing every single real-time trades. I post there when I trade, so you have really insights into that. So there is CS saying Germans love good engineering. That's absolutely true. There's the link where you can access the Discord chat. That's absolutely true. Germans absolutely love engineering. I think they are engineering. I think US is obviously also very, very good, but in fact it's very important. So what else? Then there is the question about when will the Cybertruck will go to production. Important, guys, is we were promised the Tesla Roadster 2020 for 2020. I'm just checking the sound here, 1 second. Then there is the question about when will the Cybertruck will go to production. Okay, let me have a look. We were promised the Tesla Roadster 2020. I'm just checking the sound here, 1 second. So my new equipment just arrived, and you can be ready for a brand new quality of streams, but unfortunately I didn't have the time yet to connect everything and build the studio, but we are almost there. So the question was Cybertruck. Yes, unfortunately or good for Tesla's vision that the Cybertruck will come first, because Cybertruck will be so important for the scalability and so much for the market and so on. So it's important to have the Cybertruck first, and then also having after that the Roadster, which will be absolutely insane. So I think Cybertruck will come into production about 2021, towards the end. Okay, they say deliveries end or late 2021, but I think 2021 as of the production start and roll off, this will be more realistic, and maybe then beginning of 2022 will be the first deliveries. So I think this is very important for Tesla as a product, huge market, guys. Interesting product, so beloved, so many people want to have this truck. Unbelievable. The production start and roll off. Let me have a look what else you guys are asking here. Let me see. Yes, Salsa2 said that Elon Musk is one of the greatest geniuses of our generation, and Tesla almost went bankrupt several times. So that's true. That's absolutely right. Then there is someone asking about the rumors about the Tesla van or minibus. This is, guys, happening. I just made the breaking news this morning. Make sure to check out my channel. There's the thumbnail as well. So I think that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate that if you hit the thumb up button for my content. And as always, I see you tomorrow or in a couple of hours with brand new news from the stock market. I wish you the very best ending of a brand new of a rest of the weekend, and have a wonderful evening, and I see you in a couple of hours. Thank you.